Alright guys, so today I wanted to do an unboxing and review on my new surge protector. I've been waiting for this just because I work from home, so like I have literally a lot of things to plug in. My laptop, my iPad, AirPods, a little break for the switch. So to have so many things plugged into here, right, I don't have enough outlets. So luckily that's where this comes in. So let's take a look, see how it is. Let's see what we got. Get your user guide, your screws. So I'll show right off. So right here, you're actually able to mount this to the wall. So this would actually, not just in home offices, but like if you have like an entertainment center, you can plug this to like the back of like where you have your TV, your sound bar, everything in the back. So that way you can't even see this. So that's actually super handy if you want to hang it. It does have, so you can see 2 Type-C and 2 regular USB. These are 15 watts and these are 12 watts. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 outlets. So more than enough for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up, see if we can get everything here plugged in and see how it does. All right, so I think I got all my cords here ready to go. So as you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit this on switch and it's ready to go. Maybe you're able to see it's got like some lights there. All right, well, if you can't, all good. But it's ready to go. One thing I wanted to put, it's 1700 joules protected, so just something to keep in mind. So I love that it has these USBs because that's usually what I use, or the Type-Cs. So I have that there for my AirPods. We'll tie this one here for my iPad. Let's see. Yep, there it goes, getting charged. Very nice. Then we'll do the switch now, or we'll do the laptop. Very good. Yep, got the light. Things were good. And then last but not least, we'll do the Nintendo Switch. Good. And good. Oh, and there it is. And like, I still have so many more options if I still need to plug more stuff in, a lot more outlets. So like I said, I still got a Type-C and a USB with many other outlets on here. So like I said, if you have a home office or an entertainment center, you definitely need one of these. If you're looking for a good surge protector, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.